Have you ever wondered what it means to eat organic? This isn't just a trend or a fad, it's a commitment to a healthier lifestyle and a healthier planet. When we talk about organic produce, we're referring to fruits and vegetables that have been grown without the use of synthetic pesticides, genetically modified organisms, or, as they're often known, GMOs, and without any ionizing radiation. Now you might be wondering, how does this all work? Well, the magic lies in the harmony of organic farming practices and nature. Organic farming is all about fostering a sustainable environment that promotes soil health, conserves water, and reduces pollution. It's about working with the earth rather than against it. Organic farmers utilize natural processes and beneficial insects to control pests instead of resorting to synthetic pesticides. They nourish their crops using compost and manure, steering clear of artificial fertilizers. And they steer clear of genetically modified seeds, choosing to rely on nature's own genetic diversity instead. But organic farming doesn't just stop at the soil. It's about the bigger picture too. It's about preserving biodiversity, ensuring that a variety of life can flourish in and around the farm. This includes everything from the tiny microorganisms that enrich the soil to the birds and bees that help pollinate the crops. By avoiding synthetic chemicals and GMOs, organic farms help to prevent the contamination of nearby water sources. They also encourage the natural recycling of nutrients within the ecosystem, which in turn supports the health and vitality of the soil. When we choose to eat organic, we're supporting these practices. We're voting with our wallets for a farming system that aligns with nature, rather than trying to control or manipulate it. We're recognizing that our food choices have a wider impact, reaching beyond our own plates and into the world around us. So when you choose organic, you're not just making a choice for your health, but for the health of our planet too. You're supporting a way of farming that respects the earth, conserves resources, and strives for sustainability. It's a choice that tastes good, feels good, and does good. But why should you opt for organic produce, you may ask? Well, there are three main reasons: health benefits, environmental sustainability, and social impact. Firstly, let's talk about the health benefits. Organic fruits and vegetables are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This means that they are less likely to contain residues of these harmful chemicals, reducing your exposure to potential toxins. Not only that, but some studies suggest that organic produce may contain higher levels of certain nutrients. For instance, antioxidants, which are substances that help protect our bodies from damage, are often found in higher concentrations in organic produce. Next, we have the environmental benefits. Organic farming practices are designed to work with nature, not against it. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, organic farms reduce pollution and conserve water. They also foster a rich biodiversity, creating a habitat for a wide range of organisms, from soil microbes to insects and birds. This is because organic farmers understand that a healthy ecosystem is vital for productive and sustainable agriculture. Lastly, there's the social impact. When you purchase organic produce, you're often supporting local and small-scale farmers who are committed to sustainable practices. This not only helps to reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting food long distances, but it also contributes to the local economy. Every time you choose organic, you're casting a vote for a farming system that prioritizes the health of the community and the planet. So there you have it. Organic produce offers numerous benefits, from potentially higher nutrient levels and lower pesticide residues to a reduced environmental impact and support for local farmers. But remember, the choice to go organic is a personal one. It's about making informed decisions based on what's important to you, whether that's your health, the environment, or supporting local businesses. Eating organic is not just a trend, it's a step towards healthier living and a more sustainable world. So next time you're at the grocery store or your local farmer's market, why not give organic produce a try? You might just find that the benefits are worth it. Now that we understand what organic produce is and why it's beneficial, how do we go about shopping for it? The first step to shopping for organic produce is understanding the labeling. In many regions around the world, organic produce is certified and labeled to indicate its authenticity. so it's essential to familiarize yourself with the organic certification labels in your area. This will help you to ensure that you're purchasing genuinely organic products. After all, knowledge is power. Next, consider the seasons. Organic fruits and vegetables tend to be at their best when they're in season. Not only does seasonal produce tend to be fresher and more flavorful, but it's also often more affordable. The beauty of shopping seasonally is that it encourages a varied diet that naturally aligns with the growing cycles of the earth. It's like dancing in rhythm with nature. Now, if budget constraints limit your ability to buy everything organic, don't fret. It's all about prioritizing your purchases. The Environmental Working Group, or EWG, publishes a list known as the Dirty Dozen. This list identifies the fruits and vegetables that typically contain the highest levels of pesticide residues, making them the top candidates for organic purchases. So if you're on a budget, focus on the items on this list. If you're looking for an adventure, why not explore your local farmers markets? These markets are often treasure troves of fresh, local organic produce. Shopping at these markets not only provides you with the freshest produce, but it also gives you the opportunity to meet and support the farmers who grow your food. You can ask them questions about their farming practices and maybe even discover a new favorite fruit or vegetable. It's like a field trip to the heart of where your food comes from. Lastly, consider joining a community-supported agriculture, or CSA program. CSA programs can be a cost-effective way to receive a regular supply of fresh organic produce. Members pay a subscription fee to a local farm, and in return, they receive a box of seasonal produce each week. It's like having a mini farm right at your doorstep. Shopping for organic produce doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be a delightful and rewarding experience. It's about more than just buying food. It's about investing in your health, supporting local farmers, and making choices that are kinder to our planet. Remember, every organic purchase you make is a vote for a healthier body, a stronger community, and a more sustainable world. And that's something we can all feel good about.